When it comes to choosing the best provider for commercial HVAC Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, we believe PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair stands out for our commitment to quality, reliability, and customer-focused service. As experienced professionals in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, we offer a full range of solutions, from expert air conditioning contractor services and dependable air conditioning repair service to comprehensive HVAC system repair and preventative maintenance. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What are the signs that a commercial HVAC system needs repair? As specialists in HVAC, we often see issues such as inconsistent air conditioning or cooling, unusual noises, foul odors, or a sudden increase in energy bills as early warning signals. By addressing these warning signs early, we help prevent costly downtime and ensure your commercial HVAC system continues to operate efficiently and reliably. How can I improve energy efficiency in my commercial HVAC system? As professionals in HVAC, we recommend scheduling routine service such as air duct cleaning service, HVAC duct and vent cleaning, and air conditioning cleaning to ensure proper airflow and reduce system strain. By combining these strategies, we help businesses maximize efficiency, reduce operating costs, and extend the lifespan of their commercial HVAC systems. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.